The Macan SUV has been Porsche's best-selling vehicle since 2016, and the compact luxury crossover is expected to spawn a new all-electric version for the 2024 model year. While it will bear the Macan nameplate, the 2024 Macan EV will ride on a new electric platform that will also underpin the upcoming Audi A6 e-tron. Little is known about the Macan EV's powertrain at the moment, but Porsche says it will have significantly more range than the brand's electric sedan, the Taycan, which currently tops out at 227 miles on a charge according to the EPA. Utilizing the Taycan's 800-volt electrical architecture should allow for rapid charging times. Macan EV trims will likely mirror those of the gas Macan, with a more powerful S model and a range-topping GTS providing the highest level of performance. The 2023 Macan EV will be, at least initially, sold alongside the gas-powered Macan. The Macan EV is expected to arrive for the 2024 model year. The bodywork should mimic the overall shape of the gas-powered Macan, but will feature new front and rear designs. The electric powertrain will be new to the Macan lineup, and it will be one of the first models to ride on a new electric platform shared by Porsche and Audi. We estimate that the Porsche Macan EV will start at around $80,000, slightly cheaper than the base model of Porsche's flagship EV, the Taycan. The top-of-the-line GTS model will almost certainly crest the $100,000 mark. We'll know more about the different Macan EV trims and their pricing closer to the electric crossover's on-sale date. Range, charging, and battery life. Official range figures won't be available until the Macan EV's reveal, but Porsche is claiming that the electric SUV will be able to travel significantly longer on a charge than the current Taycan, which maxes out at 227 miles of EPA estimated range. Porsche is planning to offer two battery sizes just like in the Taycan, but the fact that most American Taycan buyers have opted for the longer range model means it possible that only the larger battery will come to the United States. The Macan EV is expected to utilize the 800-volt architecture found in the Taycan, which allows for rapid charging at up to 270 kilowatts. Stay tuned to AutoRBX for all the latest, and let us know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.